Kabado siya. Samahan niyo ako mag-thesis proposal defense. Hi, so katatapos ko lang mag-ayos ng aking mga handout na pwede kong gamitin for their presentation at pati yung PPT. Kakatapos ko lang siyang tapusin na ilinis. So, ngayon, magagayak na ako at sorry madilim para sa aking defense. Bakit ang ilaw? Sarap na ko natin. Bibihis na ako. Ang awkward lang. Kasi hindi lang ako yung magsasalit sa radio. Bibihis na ako. I-check malala. Wait, pa ako magalito. Wait na ako.
Alright, I think everybody is ready and good afternoon. So today we'll have the presentation of Miss Dana Victoria Pagaduhan. Her thesis entitled The Evolution of Female Representation in Philippine Films, the Golden Age of Philippine Cinema to the Present Times.
So, introduction.
So, katatapos lang nung defense. Sa totoo lang, puro suggestions yung sinabi nila. Wala naman silang sinabing masama sa paper. It's more on like, how can I tweak it to be better? But not necessarily to a point na pabaguhin yung papel. Parang they appreciate naman yung topic. However, it wasn't completely okay. But it can improve, kumbaga. So, I'll be waiting for the suggestions further para mapaganda yung papel. But now, pupuntahan ko yung dean. Kasi nahanap daw ako ng dean. Ah!